Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at LiteFinance. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. LiteFinance is a CySEC-regulated ECN Forex broker that was founded in 2005. The company was originally incorporated under the name LiteForex. However, in 2021, it was rebranded to LiteFinance. With the expansion of its product offering, more than 500,000 people from around the world trade with LiteFinance, and we recommend this broker to social traders, beginners and professionals. They offer spreads starting as low as 0 pips on a variety of currency pairs, and you can also trade oil, metals, cryptocurrencies, and stocks from major exchanges such as EURONEXT, NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, and more on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. LiteFinance offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find all the information you need regarding accounts, platforms, instruments, trading tools, and resources by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage highlights key features of their accounts, and there are direct links to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. They also share live spreads, and their payment methods are listed further down the page. If you are interested in copy trading, the top 3 traders are also showcased on the homepage. LiteFinance has been awarded for having an excellent copy trading program, so we highly recommend checking them out if you've never tried copy trading. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with LiteFinance, simply hover your cursor over the Trade Forex tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. LiteFinance offers more than 50 major and minor currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips on the ECN account. As mentioned before, they also offer a wide range of stocks from leading exchanges such as EURONEXT, NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, as well as American, European, and Australian stock indices. If you require guidance or assistance with platforms, accounts, deposits, withdrawals, or anything else, you can head over to the support section of the website by choosing an option from the Support tab. We would recommend visiting the FAQ section first to see if your questions have already been answered. However, if you are not finding the information you need, you can contact the customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically, as well as on all social media platforms. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and all their contact details are provided on the website. LiteFinance offers a 30% deposit bonus if you use the Classic account. There are also different trading contests you can participate in to win cash prizes, and the commission charged by payment systems when you make deposits will be returned to your trading account. LiteFinance's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, the ability to hedge your positions, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a fantastic option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. LiteFinance also offers a social trading and copy trading platform that is beginner-friendly and can be used to easily become a strategy provider or follow the trades of successful traders. With the LiteFinance copy trading platform, you can choose to copy a fixed share of copy traders' equity, copy a predefined percentage of each trade, copy a fixed size of each trade, or copy the full size of a trade. In addition to the MetaTrader tools provided, you will also have access to an economic calendar with updated news events, a Forex trading calculator, a Fibonacci calculator, and a secure virtual private server. LiteFinance offers two types of trading accounts, and Muslim clients have the option of converting their trading accounts to swap-free accounts. Should you choose to convert your account to a swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees will be charged on your overnight positions. If you are new to trading or you would like to test out new strategies, you also have the option of opening a demo account that will allow you to trade in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. Once you are ready to open a real account, you can choose between the classic account or the ECN account. Both of these accounts can be opened by depositing $50 and a maximum leverage of 1 to 500 is allowed. You will also be able to use both accounts for social trading, and these are market execution accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. The classic account offers floating spreads starting from 1.8 pips, and it is a commission-free account that is eligible for a 30% deposit bonus. The ECN account can be used for scalping and news trading, and we recommend this account for experienced and professional traders. By using this account, you can earn up to 2.5% interest per annum on unused funds in your account, and it offers floating spreads starting as low as 0 pips with a small commission fee. Creating an account with LiteFinance may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the LiteFinance homepage, and then click on the registration button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address, and once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. Once your account is set up and ready, you can fund your account once it is approved and simply start trading. Once within the client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view popular trading instruments, add favorite instruments, check on analytics, your finances, and much more. Once your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to choose and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with LiteFinance. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Lite Finance also provides beginners Forex books written by professionals, a Forex glossary that you can use to learn the basics of terminology and concepts in Forex trading. There are guides on trading strategies, reviews, and live webinars. Once you get the hang of trading, you can use the technical and fundamental analysis notes provided, along with analytical material from Claw and Horns, which include updated currency rates, quote charts, and economic news updates. Lite Finance is a great option for beginners, and we highly recommend opening a demo account before making any long-term financial commitments. Over the numerous years this broker has been in operation, they have received a variety of prestigious awards, and some of their most prestigious awards include the Best Broker in Africa, the Best PAM Service, the Best Client Service, the Best Retail Forex Trading Platform, the Best Copy Trading Platform, and many, many more. Overall, Lite Finance is one of our most trusted, top-rated social trading platforms, and we also recommend trading with them if you are a professional trader looking for the tightest spreads on the market, or if you are a beginner seeking risk-free trading opportunities and educational resources to learn the basics. By trading with Lite Finance, you will have a competitive edge with low-risk, low-cost trading and commission-free accounts. If you are interested, be sure to open your Lite Finance account today to claim your deposit bonus and get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of Lite Finance. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.